Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a wholesome and soft Atta Jaggery cake in an Appe Pan. A healthy treat made without refined sugar, perfect for kids' lunchbox or tea time snacks. In a bowl, add half cup curd and half cup grated jaggery. Jaggery is considered one of the oldest sweeteners in the world. In many cultures, jaggery is used in festival for good luck and health. Mix until the jaggery completely dissolves. Always dissolve jaggery in curd to get a smooth texture. Add 1/3 cup oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Now sift together 1 and 1/4 cup atta, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Atta or whole wheat flour contain more fiber than regular flour. Combine everything. Add 3 to 4 tablespoon milk to make a smooth batter. Now grease oil in a Appe pan. Greasing the Appe pan ensure easy removal. Pour in the batter. Cooking in an Appe pan makes portion-sized cake perfect for snacking. Sprinkle melon seeds and pumpkin seeds on top. Seeds on top add both crunch and nutrition. Place a frying pan. Now place the Appe pan. Cover and cook on medium-low heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Use medium-low heat to prevent burning. Jaggery helps in digestion and provides natural energy. Whole wheat flour is rich in fiber and keeps you fuller longer. Pumpkin and melon seeds are packed with protein and healthy fats. This recipe is a refined sugar-free option, perfect for kids and adults. Our soft and healthy Atta Jaggery cake in an Appe pan is ready. Try this guilt-free recipe at home and let us know how you liked it. Do you prefer cakes with sugar or jaggery? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies.